Hola chicos! Today I'm going to share with you my lesson plan. It is done digitally. A friend of mine shared it with me and I absolutely loved it because especially now that we're doing everything online, it's a perfect place to keep all your links and everything attached. So it is amazing. I love it. Let me show you what I'm using it with. All right, so that was my lesson plan. I also have this template available on TPT if you like pink like I do and flowers. Really convenient just because it is all found in one place and I don't have to worry about leaving something at home or leaving something in my classroom. It's all easy access, especially I 100% recommend that you are linking your assignments onto that or have your folders, however you're organizing it. It's such a lifesaver. And if you're especially working with someone else or co-planning with someone, it's so easy so that everyone has access to it and it makes it I just love it. So here is to Unit 1 and hopefully everything goes as planned. Fingers crossed. Bye.